Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna go over our HSP fuse box cover for the 07.5 to 10 Chevy or GMC gas or diesel 2500 and 3500 HD trucks. So let's get this thing unboxed. So this here is our part HSP-D-443-1-HSP. Super nice piece here. One thing I like about it is we utilize the factory cover, so you don't have to worry about water intrusion, any corrosion on those fuses or relays, nothing like that. We laser cut it and CNC bend out of aluminum. So let's dive into the install, guys. Super simple stuff, zero tools required. We're gonna grab some degreaser. We're gonna get this all cleaned up, free of any oil, any dirt, grime. We will apply the Velcro strips, peel the top layer, and carefully insert that fuse box cover where she's nice and centered, and that's it, job's done. So let's get into it. All right, so wipe down that cover. Make sure you do a good job cleaning it. So now that the fuse box cover has a chance to dry, we're gonna get our Velcro strips down. Make sure you press that down nice and good before you peel the top layer off. So it's definitely a tight squeeze in here. A couple options you guys can have is either remove this. I'm gonna try to sneak through without it, but in the package that we wrap the part with, just do a little something like this, just so that you don't scratch up that fresh new powder coat. But I find coming in from the front, nice and easy. And then once you get past the bump, make sure she's nice and center. And there you have it, guys.